Polynomials exercise 3.1. First question. Before that, all of you open page number 54 in SCERT textbook. Page number 54, exercise 3.1. First question. In polynomial, in P of x equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. What is the first one? What is the coefficient of x power 5? Coefficient of x power 5. Second, degree of P of x. Third, constant term. Constant term. So, if we observe this polynomial 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. Coefficient of x power 5. In this anything x power 5 term, x power 7, x power 5, x power 1 constant. So, x power 5 term here. So, what is the coefficient of x power 5? So, 6. Not only 6, before minus. So, minus 6 is the coefficient of x power 5. Next, degree of the P of x. If we observe highest powers, if is the degree. If we powers all the powers of x, 7, 5, x power 1, 7, 5, 1. In this, which one is bigger? 7, 5, 1. In which one is bigger? 7 is the bigger value. So, degree of P of x equal to 7. Constant term. So, this is x power 7 quotient. This is x power 5 quotient. X power 1 quotient. This is not containing x. So, it is the constant. So, constant is equal to minus 6. So, quotient of x power 5 minus 6. Degree 7. Constant equal to minus 6. Next, second question. All of you see the textbook. State which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give reason for your choice. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. Okay, first we are thinking about degree. What it is given, we will think it later. So first, what is degree? Highest power of a variable in a polynomial. If we are observing the polynomial, what is the variable? X. Powers of x 2, 1. In these two and 1, which one is bigger? 2 is bigger. So degree is equal to 2. Highest power is called degree. Degree is equal to 2. So the degree is 2, but it is given root 2, so it is false. Second, the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square in the polynomial P of x equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. So, if we observe powers x cube, x square, x constant. In this, x cube coefficient 3, x square coefficient minus 4, x coefficient 5, constant 7. So, we need x square coefficient. X square coefficient, what x square coefficient? Minus 4. In the question, what it is given? X square coefficient 2. So, it is also false. Next, third one. The degree of a constant term is 0. So, already we discussed. For example, I am taking a constant 2020. This is a constant. So, I am writing 2020 as 2020 into x power 0. First, into x, into 1 I am writing. 2020 into 1, we can write it as x power 0. Anything power 0 equal to 1. So, this x power 0, coefficient 2020 not equal to 0. The highest power is 0. So, its degree is equal to 0. So, the given statement is correct. Next, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. So actually if it is a denominator, the polynomial is not exist in the denominator. If it is in the denominator, the powers coming to the numerator will be minus. So it is not at all polynomial, because since it is the rational fraction. Rational fraction is not a polynomial. So the part of this part is polynomial, but it is in the denominator, so it won't be polynomial. Next, the degree of the polynomial is one more the number of terms in it. The degree of the polynomial is one more the number of terms in it. For example, I am taking quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial equal to 5x square. 5x square. This is the quadratic polynomial. How many terms? One term. Degree 2. Degree 2 and containing only one term. So the degree of polynomial is one more than the number of terms in it. So according to this it is correct. So I am taking one more, 5x square plus 7x plus 1. The degree of polynomial, how much? 2. Degree 2. Number of terms? 3. Number of terms in this? 3. So whether this degree, the degree of polynomial is one more than the number of terms. So whether this degree is one more than the number of terms. So if we are adding 3 plus 1 equal to 4, but here the degree is 2. So for this situation it is correct, but for this situation it is wrong. So fifth one is wrong. So if it is true for all situations, then only we need to consider. Next, third question. If P of t equal to t cube minus 1, P of t equal to t cube minus 1, find the values of P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 0, P of 2 and P of minus 2. P of 1 equal to, replace t with 1. 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Next, P of minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Square of cube of minus, minus 1 cube 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 equal to minus 2. Next, P of 0. So replace t with 0. 0 cube minus 1. 0 into 0 into 0, we will get a 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. P of 2. 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. P of minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Minus cube, minus into minus into minus. Minus, minus into minus, plus into minus minus. 2 cube, 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 minus 1. Minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. So these are the values. Fourth, check whether minus 2 comma 2 are zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 16. Check whether, what is the polynomial? Let us consider polynomial P of x equal to x square x power 4 minus 16. So minus 2 and 2, P of minus 2. Simply I want to substitute minus 2 instead of x. Minus 2 power 4 minus 16. Minus power 4, minus into minus plus, into minus minus, into minus plus. Overall we are getting plus. Plus 2 power 4, 2 into 2, 4, into 2, 8, into 2, 16. Minus 16. 16 minus 16, 0. So since it is 0, minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Now I want to check for 2 also. P of 2 equal to, replace x with 2. 2 power 4 minus 16. 2 power 4 already we done. 2 into 2, 4, into 2, 8, into 2, 16, minus 16. 16 minus 16 equal to 0. So 2 is also satisfied. If we are substituting 2, even though we are getting 0, so therefore minus 2 comma 2 are zeros of poly x power 4 minus 16. Next question, fifth one. Check whether 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. And taking that polynomial p of x equal to x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. This is the polynomial p of x equal to. So I want to check about 3 and minus 2. P of 3 equal to 3 square minus 3 minus 6. So polynomial not equal to 0. X square minus x minus 6 simply. So p of 3 equal to 3 square minus 3 minus 6. Substituting x equal to 3, we got this one. 3 square 9 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, 9 minus 9 0. Next, p of checking for minus 2, p of minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 plus 6. So minus square, minus into minus plus 2 square, 2 into 2 4. Actually this is minus 6. Minus into minus plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 0. So if we are substituting x equal to 3, we are getting 0. If we are substituting x equal to minus 2 also 0. So thus we are getting zeros. So 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. 3 comma minus 2 are zeros of polynomial x square minus x minus 6.